I investigated the New Jersey UAP drones, the mystery drones. There is a wild theory that the drones are of U.S. military following mass UFO orbs that have entered the U.S. atmosphere. On his vlog, Omar Ghosh investigates the New Jersey drones or UAP UFO mystery that has taken the world by storm. Omar is in New Jersey trying to get answers, and his video basically is a recap of various other videos that we have seen the past week. And the very strange thing is that these mystery drones, I don't know if it's the drones themselves or the orbs, because there's two different things up there. But there is one specialist says that these quote-unquote mystery drones don't have a heat signature. So they don't show up in tracking of drones. They have no heat signature. How is that possible? That means that there's no machine in them. But these orbs that people have been taking pictures of and videos of are very strange because they look like they're white balls of white light, and some of them show that they're wheels within the wheels type of thing. And I'll leave a link for you for the video. But basically, his investigation is not really investigation. It's really a recap of the various statements made by officials and videos put up by others on social media. They do have a person speaking concerning what the Coast Guard has seen, a swarm of 50 of these mystery drones coming from the Atlantic Ocean towards the coast of New Jersey. And that's strange because how much battery do these things have? There are some who believe that these are the size of small SUVs. And this is on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments about this. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.